Hello, good evening, family. This is Prophetess Itungo Donfield. I want to greet you in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Wherever that you are, I want to bless you in the name of our Father. And I want to tell you that there is some things that can be challenging in your life, but don't give up your faith in God and wait unto Him because He is able to provide for you. I want to wish you a very blessed evening, wherever that you are. I love you so much. Keep on the altar of God, Divine Assignment Ministries. You will not regret because here the God that we serve has really manifested Himself in so many ways. Be blessed.